Here are the top 10 antiviral herbs to naturally fight infection, and we can learn how to use them. We're going to start off with oregano. Now you can find oregano in the Italian district, right? Or over in the Italia. But sometimes Greece has very good oregano. The Greek oregano can be just as good as the Italian oregano. And you know that lots of oregano is found in some of the sauces in the pizza. But we're going to stay away from the pizza because we just want you to smell like oregano, okay? And sometimes you can eat it or you can put it on your body. We will talk about that. Echinacea looks like a little flower, but really a powerful antiviral. What do you do with echinacea? First of all, you have to be able to say it. Secondly, you have to know that it is something that my daughter told me all about echinacea. My mother told me all about echinacea. I said, you are crazy. I don't know why you want to eat the flower. But apparently, it is a very powerful antiviral. Then we go to the bulb, the little garlic bulb. That bulb is a part of a very large family of onions, and sometimes it stinks. But guess what? The bugs don't even like it. And so if you eat a lot of powerful garlic, you can smell like garlic too. But there's a way to get rid of that garlic smell. First of all, you must eat the garlic with your foods, and then there's powerful mint that will help to relieve the garlic smell. So lots of people don't like to eat the onions and the garlic, but they have powerful antioxidant qualities and will help get rid of those dangerous virus want to take over your body, and you want to eat the antiviral herbs or find a way to use them in diffusers and steamers. All right, you can put some water on, make the tea. There's teas you can do, and there's other things. Now, we're going to talk about astragalus root. Okay, that's another one. Can you say it? Astragalus root. Now, my daughter wanted my mama to drink the astragalus tea, but my nana was too busy eating the biscotti. She did not want to drink the astragalus. She didn't know what it was, and she said, I'll pass. But that astragalus root, with some of the other roots from the different plants on this earth, they have very special qualities that apparently we did not know about. Okay, dandelion also is a very, very powerful food. And my father wanted to eat that weed, but you know, my mother-in-law said, you are crazy, man. You want to eat the weed out of the ground, out of the garden. Well, apparently it was a very good idea. Anyway, the olive leaf. Now, tell me about the olive leaf. You see, olives, they're very good for you. But sometimes they are drowning in the sodium. So you must figure out the olive leaf can be very helpful. The olive oils can be very helpful. The olives can be very helpful. But again, watch out for those sodium olives. And some of the olives are sold with some other oils that can be very dangerous and harmful for you. So the leaf we're going to use as a powerful antiviral. Ginger, everybody knows about ginger. She was on Gilligan's Island, but no, this is a different ginger. She's a root, and that root ginger also can be used very helpful in reducing inflammation and has great antiviral qualities. Now, also ginger with your other friends, there are other ones that you can use. Turmeric, you know, that has very anti-inflammatory qualities, and you want to use that with dosages that work for you. Licorice root, that was my favorite. I loved the licorice, black licorice. Oh my God, the anise, oh, that taste and that flavor, very, very good. But lots of people do not like this. Now, it does affect the blood pressure a little bit, so you should know that. But when I was very septic, with yeast overload and the burdens of other things like Epstein-Barr. These things were making my blood pressure very, very low, my adrenal qualities very low. So licorice root can help with some of these things, give you a little bit of energy and also fight infections. So look for the licorice root. Now, sometimes you can find these in teas, and like I said, oils, diffusers, and steamers. And then sometimes you can find licorice. The types of licorice can be used in different ways for recipes and supplements. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the cat's claw. Now, I never knew that there was such a thing. I knew about the cats clawing about in the house because we had cats when we were growing up, and there's all kinds of diseases that are connected to the cat. But this cat's claw is a plant, and it is a wonderful antiviral. So you should consider maybe looking into cat's claw when you are feeling a little unwell. So cat's claw can be taken as a supplement. Now be careful, you don't want to overdo any of these things, but you want to incorporate them into your daily routine, and sometimes they can be used in the diet. All right, calendula. Who knows about calendula? Yes, I heard calendula once, and I said, what is calendula? And I love that word, so I said it over and over again. But calendula is also like a flower, and it also has very good antiviral characters. So we must look at our plants, look at the roots of our plants, where they come from, and what qualities they have, and how they can help the immune system to fight off the bad bugs. The bad bugs want to come in and take over. We are the peoples, and they want to come into our body. So we are going to use cat's claw, licorice roots, ginger, olive leaf, astragalus root, elderberry. Remember that over there in one of those movies that we always loved. Elderberry, you do not want to smell like elderberry. But anyway, garlic, echinacea, and oregano. Remember those, and have a wonderful day. I hope you feel well. And remember that cooking every day with some quality foods can help boost your whole system so that you can fight off these germs and attack that COVID. Have a great day.